Hey everyone, welcome to the very first episode in my YouTube channel. I'm very excited to share my knowledge with you all. So, I'll tell you one thing before. I won't beat around the bush or I just won't simply tell anything. I'll keep the point crystal clear and I'll just be very straight. So, today's topic is purely based on communication skills, or you can call it public speaking. Not like general information, means how you can improve or what are the ways. I won't tell that all because you can find it anywhere. In this video, I'll share with you the reasons which held me back from communication and the reasons which worked for me to improve my communication skills. And if you stay till the end, I'll share with you the bonus tips too. So let's get started. So, firstly, I'll share with you the three factors which held me back from communicating in public. The first one, lack of practice. I wasn't communicating too well. I basically am an introvert. So, right, introverts won't speak a lot or they won't go into public a lot. So I don't have that practice. So when I got the chance or when I have to speak, I wasn't able to speak due to the inferiority or due to that introvertism. So that isn't bad, but the communication skills I had were very poor. Second, fear of judgment or overthinking. I used to overthink a lot about myself, that what they think or what they will feel or how will they receive if I speak. So these all made me to resist myself from communication. Third, limited exposure. I wasn't that guy who would go to concerts or events or more. I wouldn't see the motivational speakers or nothing related to communication. I used to just while out the time by watching all useless content. So these all were the three factors I think which held me back from communicating in public. But now, under right mentoring and right guidance, I overcome my fears. So I'll share with you the three main hacks which worked for me to overcome my fear. As the first one is practice regularly. So I'll tell you an example. If you won't train a muscle, your muscle gets weak. Your bicep or tricep or any muscle. Just I'm giving an example. Similarly, if you don't work on yourself in areas which you are weak, you'll remain weak. So practice is the main key. So firstly, practice. Whenever you get a chance to speak, just go and speak. Let it be however. Now my English or my word or accent, it isn't that much fluent, but I'm just recording to gain practice and to gain that confidence. Similarly, just go and speak. Second, overcome fear through action. I'll tell you one thing. Courage isn't about not having fear. In spite of having the fear, taking that first step is what courage means. So, next time when you want to speak, don't think that I'm not having the courage. Even if your legs are shaking, just go and speak. What courage means. That's what courage means. Third, expand your knowledge. Just try to expand the knowledge in all aspects, because when you are having that knowledge, it will give you a clarity and it will boost your confidence that, okay, I'm having the confidence and I'm having the knowledge in that aspect. So keep on expanding your knowledge. Don't limit yourself by limiting or being in your comfort zone. Just go out and expand your knowledge in all aspects possible. So these three hacks worked for me like magic. So I won't tell you that I'm very perfect in communication, but the person who I was before 4 5 months, the person who I am now are very different, are completely different. So now the bonus tips. These tips are for you. If you're staying until the end and if you're watching it right now, so have these three bonus tips too. Work out regularly. Yes. When you start working out for 1 week or 2 weeks, you will start getting that confidence in you because you're working on your body, right? So working on your body or working on yourself will boost your confidence. So start by working out regularly. Second, be productive. Learn one new thing daily. So take up a challenge. So from today till 1 week, start learning one new thing daily. And after 1 week, see how your confidence levels are. It will boost you up, because when you learn something, you are giving your mind that I'm improving as a person daily. Your mind will receive the signal and it will boost your confidence like a rocket. Third, engage in active listening. So For speakers, speaking is very important, but listening is equally important, because when you actively listen to your audience, you will get the pulse of the audience, that what they are wanting or what they're expecting. So that gives you a clarity on what to speak and how to speak. So these are the three bonus tips which I wanted to share with you. So yeah, these are the hacks which worked for me and which may help you too. I hope you found some valuable insights from this episode. And if you won't want to miss this type of content, click on the subscribe button below. Let's catch in the next one.